Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a full guide salad. First, select your greens, ensuring they are fresh and clean. Next, gather a colorful assortment of vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Don't forget to include a protein such as grilled chicken, chickpeas, or hard-boiled eggs to make your salad a complete and satisfying meal. This foundational approach ensures a delicious and nutritious base. Now let's talk about dressing and toppings. A simple vinaigrette made with olive oil, vinegar, and herbs elevates any salad. For texture, add croutons, toasted nuts, or seeds. You can also experiment with fruits like berries or apple slices, and cheeses such as feta or goat cheese to introduce exciting new flavors. These elements transform a basic salad into a culinary delight. Proper assembly is key to a great salad. Always wash and thoroughly dry your greens and vegetables to prevent a watery dressing. Begin by layering your greens, then add your vegetables, protein, and toppings. Finally, drizzle your dressing over the salad just before serving. This ensures every bite is fresh, crisp, and perfectly coated, making for an enjoyable eating experience. Here are some final tips for your salad journey. Prepping ingredients like chopping vegetables or cooking protein ahead of time saves valuable minutes. Always store your dressing in a separate container until you're ready to eat, keeping your salad crisp. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade salads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.